Hey, welcome to my kitchen Flavours. It's Comfort here with another simple recipe. And today I'm sharing a super flavorful beef curry done Ugandan style. The beef ends up being so tender, it practically melts in your mouth. Okay, so here I have 500 grams of beef which I already cut into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna start off by making a quick beef stock, and for that I placed the beef pieces in a saucepan, added water, and I'm going to boil this for 1 hour, making sure to skim off any scum from the saucepan as I go along. This is 1 hour later and I'm using a slotted spoon to remove the beef out of my stock. Then you want to transfer that to the pan where you will be cooking the curry. Next, you want to add 2 tablespoons of your cooking oil to the pan. And we're gonna just brown the beef over medium heat, and this is gonna take 5 to 8 minutes. And as you can see, the beef is looking amazing already. Now you want to go in with your onions, which you want to cook until they are soft and translucent. Make sure that you are stirring through it all. Next, you want to add your chopped ginger, your minced garlic and dried rosemary. Now these three produce such an amazing aroma. You won't want to leave your kitchen, I tell you. So go ahead and mix everything up until your beef is coated bulungi with the aromatics. Now we're going to go in with our sliced bell peppers, which we want to soften slightly, and this is going to take about 5 minutes. Make sure that you are stirring constantly at this point because all the oil in the pan has been absorbed by all the other ingredients. We are going to add 2 cups of homemade tomato sauce. I have posted a video on how to make this sauce. I'm going to put a link to the video in the description below and an iCard on the top right hand of your screen. We're going to now season and spice our curry by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Now this is completely optional. If you don't do hot, then don't add the chili. And here I have 2 tablespoons of Madras curry, and you may use any curry powder that you have. You want to mix everything up like so until the beef is smothered in the spices and the sauce. I do want to take this opportunity to appreciate all my subscribers for supporting this channel. You guys, you mean a lot to me, and I'm not just saying. I do pray and thank my God for you always. And since you've watched until this point, then consider liking and sharing the video. It will continue to help this channel a lot. Remember that our stock that we made at the beginning? Let's go ahead and add it to the saucepan at this point. Then we're going to mix everything up and then cover the saucepan and allow the ingredients to cook over low heat for the next 1 hour. And while it's cooking away, I'm going to share something delicious for your spirit from the true word of God. Alright, so this is 1 hour later and banange, the aroma is to live for, and as you can see, the beef is looking so delectable. Now we're just going to go in with our final seasoning, and to this jar I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Royco beef, which is a much loved beef seasoning here in Uganda. I'm also going ahead to add 2 tablespoons of coconut powder and some water. We're going to mix all the ingredients and then add that to the curry. So this final seasoning is going to thicken up the beef curry and give it a wee bit of that lovely coconut flavor, which is always amazing. So you want to mix up everything bulungi and your beef curry is ready to be plated. Thank you for watching this video and for liking and sharing it if you learned something new. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so to enjoy simple recipe adventures for your body and spirit. And until my next video, decide to be joyful all of the time. Bye!